Have you ever felt like no matter how much you pay, your credit card debt just won't go away? You're not alone. Many people find themselves stuck in what feels like a never-ending cycle of credit card debt. When you use a credit card, you're borrowing money from the bank. Each month, you need to pay back what you owe. If you only pay a small part of the bill, the rest stays as debt and the bank charges you extra money called interest. That interest can make your debt grow fast, sometimes even faster than you can pay it off. One reason people get stuck is because they only pay the minimum amount each month. This might seem like a good idea because it keeps the payment low, but it also means you're mostly paying off the interest, not the real debt. Over time, this causes your balance to stay the same or even grow, making it hard to get out of debt. Another reason is using credit cards to cover everyday expenses when money is tight. This can happen if your income doesn't cover all your bills or if unexpected costs come up. When you keep using your card without paying off the balance, the debt builds up and becomes harder to manage. Sometimes people get caught in a trap because they have several credit cards with debt on each one. Managing multiple payments can be confusing, and missing payments on one card can lead to more fees and higher interest rates. This makes the whole situation worse. Also, some credit cards have very high interest rates. If you're not careful, the cost of borrowing can become a heavy burden. This is especially true if you have a card with a rate over 20%. The longer you carry a balance, the more money you lose to interest. So, how can you stop being stuck? The first step is to understand exactly how much debt you have and what the interest rates are. Write down every card balance and the monthly payment required. This will give you a clear picture and help you plan. Next, try to pay more than the minimum payment each month. Even a small extra amount can make a big difference over time. Focus on paying off the card with the highest interest rate first. Once that is paid off, move to the next one. This method is often called the avalanche method and can save you money on interest. If you have trouble making payments, look for ways to cut back on spending. Small changes like cooking at home instead of eating out or canceling unused subscriptions can free up money to pay your debt faster. You might also consider talking to a credit counselor or financial advisor. They can help you create a plan and sometimes negotiate better terms with your creditors. Avoid debt settlement companies that promise quick fixes. These can damage your credit and cost you more in the long run. Another option is to transfer your balance to a card with a lower interest rate or a card with a special offer of no interest for a certain time. This can give you a break from high interest and help you pay down the principal faster.